Hey there, me and Michael here. This is the second part. I know, weird, seeing like 2 videos in a week. Very odd. But what I'm going to be doing is making the pommel of the blade from solo leveling in this video. So, I've marked them out in 4 separate pieces because I wanted it to be a bit thicker than the actual blade itself, the handle. So, I've marked out 4 things where I'm going to cut. And, well, my transition, they will be cut because outside glare is a bitch. So I'll just explain it. Peace out. So, I've cut the pipe, put them into this box of cardboard, and I'm now realising, don't know if it's possible. Because of how the shape is, it's like it goes in a curved and diamond shape. It won't exactly be possible with a cube. And I was hoping so, because then it could counterweight, because that's what a pommel is, because it's very blade heavy. So I was hoping I could counterweight it with this. But we'll see how it works, because what I may do is literally cut this in half, cardboard indeed, and use that as a base for the pommel. But we'll see. There. So, I made the box. It's over there somewhere. That is my bed. Shut up. And so I now have to design, well, the main pommel part that will be on it, because that's basically going to be a base. So, that's going to be time-lapsed. Hi there. So, that was a time lapse, me creating the pommel, and I thought, oh, I'll just cut everything out and, whatever. I got to this and I forgot to record. So here we are. So, I basically cut 2 of these out, these 2. Glued them at a point, so then it makes a triangle, like that. Sort of like goes inwards. And then I pot glued this side there and the side there, and just basically took serial cardboard and just stuck it like that on each end, so then it makes a point, and then cut it to those dimensions, like that. And then up to here, I literally filled it with hot glue. And then I put an aluminum mini rod like this onto a piece like that, filled it in with hot glue to make it heavier, put an extra thing like that on top, so then cut it to the right dimension, and then hot glued it into here. And I did 2 of them and hot glued it in. And the rest of the space I hot glued, as in filled it in with hot glue. But before I could do any of that, it's going to be really convoluted because I forgot how I'd done things. I took spare cardboard like this, hot glued the edges here, here, and here, and just did that, then it fit to it, and cut off the rest, and did the same with the other side. Then I put in the weight, weights, filled the rest in with hot glue, put on a base, realised it wouldn't stick well, so then I had to put another thin cardboard on it like that. So then it would create a smooth line for me to glue on. So that's how this has happened so far. This ain't done yet though, because this is the original. You see this inside part? I've now got to cut that out of the template, find more cardboard, cut that part out, and make a couple layers, well, on each side. And what I'll probably do, because if I explain it here now, I can just make a time lapse in the next clip of me doing it, and I don't have to say much, so yay. I'll probably shorten this a bit by bit on the edges and on the middle here, slowly and slowly, so then it gives an appeal of a triangle going upwards. So that's how I'll make, well, the pommel. This is already weighty enough, let alone anything else. So we shall have a fun time. So, this is what it starts to look like. I realise I've actually did it without recording again. But oh well, that would be the base that I'm going to stick on. But yeah, that's what the pommel will look like. Honestly, results may vary. If you do try and do this at home, this is obviously quite thick, as you can see, but it works, and that's the main point. So, I'll be gluing this on. Probably won't be time-lapse, but oh well. So, I've got the main part, I've got the pommel, now stick it on. Not in a weird way. Don't know why I thought of it as it being a tad weird, but I did. Anyway. Oh yeah, this won't be in frame for it. I know this may be a bit boring, that's why I've put music in the background, if I don't forget. Mainly because it can be boring, especially since I'm just gluing things together. I still don't know if this is technically recording through my headphone microphone or my phone one. So if it's my microphone one, I feel bad. If it's not, then it's just normal audio quality. But anyway, I will secure this a bit better in a minute, just not on camera because otherwise this is a terrible angle. So yeah, fun time. Woo. I'm just now going to sit here for a second. How's your day? Leave your answer in the comments. If you like this video, like, subscribe, comment anything I could do better than just not doing it, because there'll be some people who say that. Genuine feedback is accepted, but you know, here we are. Hate is hate, you know. Can't help it. So I accept your flaws. So if somebody says, "Hey, your teeth are too large," so what? Don't ask. So this is literally how I'm going to fix it a bit more. I'm going to take hot glue, just shove it in where it needs to be. So, I'll see you in the next one. So, obviously I finished the pommel. I thought that would be enough for this video, but it won't be. And I thought, fuck it, I'll include a thing that was meant to be for next week's. I've added the bone spine thing on the side. So I've made them out of basically, which is essentially scales, like triangle ovals, and hot glued them together. Looks really ugly on the bottom, but looks better on the top. And then you just gotta glue it like that. Just, you know, glue it down like that would. Just hope and pray that stays. I'm also going to do something different, aka I'm going to put gold, like, accents on them. So I'll put hot glue basically all around them, and then it will look like they're like, how do I put it? More, they're secured by something else that's different, right? And I think that's also on the actual blade, if I'm, yeah, practically, because these are meant to be gold. So I'm going to have to look at something else quickly later, what actual colour they are in the manga, because this is just a 3D image that I'm looking at personally. But yeah, and I've obviously had to make 2 of them. This took me about an hour. I don't like this. But yeah, painting will be practically non-existent until later part, probably a different whole video. So yeah, I think I'll skip to me not gluing it.